Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Bring your real estate business online with a custom-built website on Wix. We will guide you throughout selecting the right template, adding properties, listings, and optimizing your site to attract potential buyers and renters. This tutorial is perfect for agents and brokers looking to expand their digital presence. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, the first thing guys that I will need you to do is to go ahead and launch your Wix account and log into it. Go ahead here to the bluish button that has create a new site and right click on it. After that, you will have this AI that will help you set up your website. Let's start chatting with it so it can give us a decent plugins, decent dashboard, decent template that's perfectly going to work with our main topic, which is real estate. Let's click here and start chatting. So here, tell me what is your site all about. Let's write real estate. And there we go. Let me just real estate. And there we go. So now, as you can see, the AI is going to manage to give us a couple of few questions so it can manage to understand everything. So, great choice. What is the name of your real estate business? Let's name it luxury houses or something like that. And click on next. After that, we will give us some few more questions, so we have to keep up with it. So every question has to be answered, of course, not similar to me, but in your own way, so you can have the best dashboard, the best option for your business that matches your ideas. So there we go, site profile, luxury, your trusted partner in luxury real estate. That's perfect. Love the name. What type of services do you offer? Airbnb type of houses and selling real estate all around the world. And there we go. So now, as you can see, this is the site type, luxury concierge service. Site apps, they are giving us already apps inside the website, so we have everything ready for us to go. Like they give us the booking app and the online stores. So the online store is basically to sell, and the bookings basically so the people can book appointments with you so they can visit, and so go on. So this is very good. Now, fantastic. Do you also offer property management services or any other additional service? Yes. Let's go with that. And let's just wait for now. For the AI, now the AI can take a little bit of time to actually integrate with you, but that's all I'm gonna do. Skip question. There we go. I'm just gonna skip now questions, so I'm not gonna answer any more questions, so we can get into the website and see the results that this AI is going to provide us with. So let's simply just wait for it to answer us now. And here they give us like the target audience. That's perfect. High income individuals seeking luxury vacation rentals, real estate investors looking for global investment opportunities, homeowners in need of professional property management services, and much more. So let's go to the dashboard and let's check our dashboard and site. So there we go, we have now the dashboard being created and loading for us, and that's perfectly done. Now, as you can see, we have here apps. If you want to manage apps, you will find the booking app that I have talked to you about. So Wix Booking, it is pending. The first thing that you have to do is to complete the setup. Now, you have to go with a template that can be an AI designed, or you can customize a template. We can pick a template that's already been created, and we can go, for example, for let's go. What do you think, guys? I mean, for me, I would like to go for this or this. Let's go with this one. Edit. Let's click on edit, and as you can see here, this is the template that I have chosen to go for. You can choose whatever templates that can match your brand logo, your ideas, and that's basically working for you. So now once you choose the templates, it can take few more seconds so it can load everything, specifically the page builder. And there we go. So this is our template, and this is basically matching the vibe that I have mentioned. As you can see here, I have the banner showing off houses, I have interior of some houses, I have here some kind of section that explains our properties here, like a brief video about some houses that we own, and contacts us today, and that's pretty much it. So how can we change these things? Now, first of all, before you get started with anything in the website or publishing the site, you have to change the content. So start by basically changing everything within here, like the contents, like the text here, this one in here, here like the title, which is basically the logo. This background also you have to change it, since it is not your property. You have to change it and find yourself a good picture of your property, something similar to this design, like from the outside, and basically post it and add it to this area as well. You can simply just click on change background right through here, and this will allow you to change the background from this setting option, which can be also changed using AI image. So yeah, there is a lot of things that you can actually change it with. You can also add a video which can give a vibe to the page if you wanted to. If you had something cute to add here, something like with good colors, high quality, moving around will be good as well. And basically change everything from these things, like the images, the image here, and these properties so it can match yours, the video, and contact us by adding here your info like email and phone number, and changing the schedule tour from here. If you clicked on it, this will take them to a link, so make sure that this link that you have here is something that's basically going to take them somewhere. So this is very important. Also, if I went back to the settings right now, as you can see here, let me just publish this first. So once you have finished everything, make sure that you have published it. And as you can see, now everything is working. The apps are working and everything is good to go. So you just have now to launch your business and tell people about yourself. So that was it for today's guys video. Thank you a lot for watching. See you guys for the next tutorial.